Hi dear friends, welcome to my channel. In my fourth video, today I am explaining about nested if else, else if ladder and switch case statement. Here in nested if else statement, it is possible to nesting of if statement, that is, we can make use of more than one if else statement by nesting them. The logic of execution is like: first, it tests condition 1. If it is true, then it goes for condition 2 to test which is nested condition, and if it is true, then block of statement 1 is executed, and if condition 2 is false, it executes block of statement 2. But when at start, if condition 1 is false, then it directly goes to else block, and here it tests condition 3. If it is true, then block of statement 3 is executed, and if condition 3 is false, then it executes block of statement 4. After that, in else if ladder statement, more than one conditions are tested, and if all the conditions are false, then the block of false statements is executed. For better understanding, here I have given example in which user will enter any number up to 4 digit, and here we have to check that the how many digits in given number. For that, first, here I have included two header files. Then in main function I have declared one variable number. Then printf function after execution shows message enter a number. User will enter a number. The scanf function stores that number in number variable, and here I use logic for checking the digit of number is that in first if condition I have checked that number is less than equal to 9. If condition is true, then printf function shows message that is one digit. If condition is false, then again it goes for second condition, that is number is less than equal to 99. If condition is true, then printf function shows message that is 2 digit. If again this condition is false, then it goes for third condition, that is number is less than equal to 999. If condition is true, then printf function shows message that is 3 digit. If again condition is false, then it goes for fourth condition, that is number is less than equal to 4 times 9. If condition is true, then printf function shows message that is 4 digit, and if condition is false, then it executes else block, and it shows message enter number up to 4 digit on screen. Hi friends, here is one more example for your better understanding is to calculate 3 subjects marks and display total percentage and class. In this program, here I have included two header files and in main function I have declared 4 integer variables, that is s1, s2 and s3, to store the 3 subjects marks, and fourth one is total, which stores the total of 3 subjects marks. After that, in float I have declared per variable, which stores percentage of that subject. Here in printf function, the message is enter marks of 3 subject. After reading this message, user will enter marks of 3 subjects, and scanf function stores these 3 subject marks in variable s1, s2 and s3. After that, here I put two formulas. One is for to calculate total, that is total is equal to s1 plus s2 plus s3, and second one is for to calculate percentage, that is per is equal to total divided by 3. Then by using printf function, I have print total marks and percentage, which will display on output screen. Then for class, here I have to check that using if condition, that is if percentage is greater than 70. If this condition is true, it shows message distinction, and if condition is false, then it goes for next condition, which check if percentage is greater than 60. If this condition is true, then it shows a message first class, and if condition is false, then again it goes for next condition, which check if percentage is greater than 50. If condition is true, then it shows message pass. Otherwise, if all conditions are false, then it executes else statement block, which is default block, and shows message fail. Here I shown the whole execution and output on screen. I hope you all understand the program very well. In next video, I will explain different program which helps you to understand switch case statement. Thank you very much friends for watching this video.